Okay guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video, we will be harvesting cucumbers. Cucumbers, guys. So make sure that you thumbs up the video, subscribe to the channel if you have not already. Leave your comments down below. It's not that many cucumbers, but we got something. We got something, guys. Baby on the back end, trying not to step on the watermelons. Cucumber. Cucumber, cucumber, cucumber. Cucumbers, guys. Woo. Nice cucumber. Nice cucumbers. That one look like a pickle, y'all. Pickle, pickle, pickle.
You got some more coming in. What? He called me. I was gonna excuse me right here.
Yeah. I'm trying not to step on Miss Watermelon here. We got cucumbers. We got cucumbers. Nice, beautiful cucumbers. Yes, Lord. Yes, Lord. Let's see what else we can find. Now, y'all know when you harvest cucumbers, there's one right there, but it's not ready yet. And there's one starting to grow right there. Now, y'all know when you harvest cucumbers, you never really find all the damn cucumbers until you done with harvest and you just happen to come back at her and boom, there's a cucumber you miss. So look, there's another one.
Oh snap! I can't get it.
Got quite a few coming in, and then there's one right there.
Got a watermelon right here, a watermelon there. I can't get them. Look.
Now that's that big whamma jamma I was talking about. That thing is huge. It's the biggest like a squash, the biggest cucumber I've ever saw.
Where's the cucumber?
Look at that beauty. Look at that beauty.
Is that a cucumber?
Mug got a little. I might have to weigh that joint just to see what it is. I might have to weigh that one.
It's beautiful.
Come back around that way.
And I saw another one.
Right there. I got a whole watermelon.
That one might be ready to come on off. Because I see a little yellow one on it. You know, they say get your cucumbers when they start yellowing. Too yellow is overripe. Look at that child.
Keep my poor baby over here. Look at little poor right now.
I thank God for this, y'all. And y'all want to know why I thank God for this? Because I ain't got to spend hundreds of dollars to juice. It costs hundreds of dollars worth of fruits and vegetables just to juice. This costs us
$4.95.
He just playing, but we're gonna say that though about $4.95 per plant.
Per plant.
Last year we did cucumbers from seed. This year we used starter plants. So, and Lord knows when we need something, we can just walk right out here and get it. I'm like, where has gardening been all my life? Here, Chris, put it in the basket.
I found some flowers for you.
Let me show y'all this big whamma jamma.
Whoa!
Look at that big beauty.
Mom, what is that? Was that cucumber?
Yes, it's a cucumber.
Ooh, I I can't wait to eat it. I'm gonna eat fruit and vegetables. Well, I'm kind of hungry.
Hold on, y'all. I'm trying to get me a thumbnail.
Before we eat, before we go to the playground, we need to eat first.
Okay, y'all. I got me a thumbnail. We out here sweating bricks. Yeah, that's why I said he probably can stay. He over there throwing out dead leaves, y'all.
She want to kiss me on
Y'all know cucumber cycle.
Here, Mommy. Flowers for you.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome here.
I got flowers for my baby girl.
Mommy,
Okay,
those flowers are ruined. Mommy, you dropped your flowers.
Okay, guys. So the camera died. So I finally got all of the cucumbers off the plant out there. And this is what we ended up with for the cucumber harvest. And then I got my little scale out here. Knock some dust off of it. It's dusty, y'all. Let's see how much the biggest one weigh. Hold on, let me get it on. Okay, so let's see how much the biggest one weigh. Okay, so we at 1 pound and 4 ounces for this big baby. Let's see about this one. That one is 1 pound 8 ounces. I think we did good, y'all. Okay, so the basket is 3.2. So 3 ounces, 3.2 ounces. Let's see what we got all together. Y'all, it is so hot. It is ridiculous. I feel sorry for everybody's garden. Oh, I don't even think all these will fit up here, y'all. Y'all make sure y'all thumbs up the video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Oh, look at that, y'all. Oh, then it just fell. But so far, we at 10 pounds. We're going to say 10 since we owe 3.2 ounces for the basket. So we're going to say 10 for that. And then we still got these left. Plus the one that just fell in the chair. Okay, so we at 10 pounds for these. So let me take these off. Okay. And these the last few. So that's 2 pounds, 12 ounces. So we're gonna do about, we're gonna round it to like 13 pounds for the cucumbers, y'all. 13 pounds for the cucumbers. Now, these bigger ones, I just want to cut these up and do salt and vinegar or salt and pepper. And these smaller ones, I will be pickling these. So that's the end of the cucumber harvest. I hope you guys enjoyed the harvest. And I will see you good people in the next video. Peace.